And this is the RV tankless water heater. Has all your ratings here on the panel for you. You have your cold water inlet, your hot water outlet, your gas inlet, and your wiring that will tie into. We're going to get this installed in the RV and show you how this looks. Included with the tankless water heater, you do have your thermostat, your remote control thermostat. You do have a user manual, so that way you'll go through. It'll have your installation instructions and any questions need to be answered. But that thermostat and remote controls, nice.
This is where the door comes in.
And you'll see the hot water heater slides. It's a water heater, not a hot water heater, because you're going to make hot water. So that is your tankless RV water heater. So the water heater for the RV has been installed. This is the tankless water heater. You'll have your locking mechanism here, so you can turn it like a key to open it and lock it. Your on and off switches here, your fuse, the exhaust, and then your hot water line here, and your overflow line here.